Listen dear students, our today's topic is respiratory system. Respiratory system is an organ system. It is because organ system means when many organs work together and perform a particular function, that is known as organ system. So respiratory system is an organ system. It is because different organs of our respiratory system like nose, windpipe, bronchus, these alveoli, bronchioles, lungs and diaphragm, they work together and perform a particular function, that is respiration. So the different steps that occurs during respiration, what are those steps? First step is breathing in occurs. Breathing in is also known as inhalation. Now we know that breathing in air is known as inhalation and breathing out air is known as exhalation. But important question is how this whole process occurs. This occurs in this way. The diaphragm which is present below the lungs, when diaphragm contracts is becomes small. It moves downwards. When diaphragm moves downwards and these ribs, we already discussed on ribs, we have 12 pairs of ribs. So these ribs move outwards and upwards. When our diaphragm contracts and moves downwards, our ribs moves outwards. So the space in our chest increases. Space inside our chest becomes more, and air gets enter in our lungs, or we can say our lungs expand in our chest cavity because their space becomes more. After that is how breathing out or exhalation occurs. In this way occurs. Breathing in, breathing out is opposite of breathing in. When our diaphragm expands and it starts moving to its original place, it starts moving to upwards. So when diaphragm moves upwards, our ribs move inwards. Okay, and move inwards and downwards. So the space in our chest decreases, become less. That creates pressure on our lungs. Suppose we'll take an example of a balloon. So if there is air-filled balloon, so we'll press on the walls of the air-filled balloon by hand. The air present in the balloon will come out. Same, when these ribs will exert pressure on our lungs, and at the downwards this diaphragm will exert pressure. So the air present in our lungs will come out, and in this way exhalation occurs. Now I will show you how this respiration occurs. We will make model on this. How we will make model. So in this way we will make model. I will show you this video.
Hi. Today we are going to understand how to prepare lung model. So the objective of this experiment is to help students understand how the lungs actually work. So for this experiment, you are going to need 3 balloons, as you can see here, 2 rubber bands, sellotape, 2 bendable straws, some clay pieces, and a bottle. So this bottle has been cut from the bottom, as you can see here. You can cut this using scissors or blade. Let us understand how to start with this experiment. So in the first step, as you can see here, you need to take these 2 straws and join them with a sellotape here. Next step, you will have to take 2 rubber bands and attach these 2 balloons to the straws as shown here. So these 2 will represent our lungs. We put these 2 inside the bottle. Next we will use our third balloon. I have cut the top of this balloon, as you can see here, and we will cover the bottle using this balloon. it tightly. As you can see, the bottom part of this bottle has been covered. In the next step, arrange the height of these two balloons as you can see and keep some space in between. Close this bottle tightly using clay so that no air goes inside. You can see our lung model is ready. You can pull this balloon here and you can see that the balloons inside are becoming big. This is similar to our breathing action. When we take in air, when we breathe in air, our lungs take in oxygen, and when we breathe out, the oxygen comes outside. So our lungs become small. As you can see, lungs are becoming big here and they are becoming small.